Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin. Today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I did wind up canceling my Ultimate, is that what it was called? I don't remember. Sorry if I'm like awkwardly over here, but the sun is like right in my eyes over here, so I'm kind of like chilling. But I did wind up canceling the big one just because I didn't think, my first month, I didn't think $50 was worth it. I did watch some videos from this month and I still didn't think it was worth it. So going forward, I might reactivate that one, but as of right now, no. This one, however, is $25 a month. You get like 8, I think. No, 5. Is the big one 8? I don't know, like 5 products in here that are full size. But let's just go ahead and tear in. I've already opened the seal, obviously, because otherwise this video would be 20 minutes longer than it needs to be. Opening it up, it says Discover Yourself, and it's got orange paper in here. I swear it used to be yellow, but last two have been orange, so maybe I'm crazy. Okay, first thing, there's of course a card. It again says Wild Side, just like our smaller bag. And the first thing on top here is the Gigi Gorgeous products. I got the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. Sick Sculpt, that's a weird name, I like it. I did get another Gigi Gorgeous product in my other bag, and I was really hoping to not get a duplicate, so I'm excited about that. I'm not gonna give away what it was, though. You guys have to go watch the video to see. But I do want like this whole collection. I'm just gonna ramble while I attempt to open this. Why is this so difficult? I like never want to tear the packaging. Are you guys like that? Like I don't keep the packaging, I just throw it away, but like I never want to tear it. Makes no sense. But I guess sometimes I keep the packaging, but not often. Okay, we're getting closer to getting in this box here. This is difficult, like it is in there. There we go, okay. So, do you have a shade name? Oh, just the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra. I have no way of knowing which one is which. Oh, it's a little click button. You gotta click it and then pull it up, that's cute. Ooh, okay, I like the little insert. It says Gigi Gorgeous on there. Does have a mirror, and then it's got like gold around here, which is pretty. So let's swatch these. Ooh, I like that shade. Those are really light though, which I mean, Gigi's kind of a light human, so that makes sense. But at the same time, those are not gonna work on everybody's skin tones. It'll work on mine, which is fortunate for me, but yeah, those are light. I am excited to try this though, but unfortunately is not gonna work on most skin tones. Okay, next thing in here is this, a Tour Cream, Belle and Argent. I don't speak this language. What language is this? Smoking on Screen. What are you? I'm gonna assume a lip product. I don't know if this brand is cruelty free. I've never heard of them. Made in the USA, that's usually a good sign. Ooh, that is beautiful. Well, look at that packaging. That looks like you could knock somebody out with that, but that is really pretty. What are you? It is a lipstick. I don't love the color because I like the color, but if I wanted to wear a dark color, I usually reach for a liquid lip. This is a really pretty color though, but the packaging on this is just, ooh, it's magnetic. This must be worth like a lot of money because this is really pretty. I like this a lot. I'm just gonna stay in here and continue to tell you about this packaging. Okay, moving on to the next product. This is by Seraphine Botanicals. I picked this. I regret picking this just because the other option was a Gigi Gorgeous product and I didn't like realize at the time that it was Gigi Gorgeous. I thought it just said Gigi and I was like, I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna go with this. But now I wish I would have picked the other one. But this is Happy Hibiscus Blush Palette for all skin tones. We'll see. This is cruelty free. Oh, there's no mirror. That's unfortunate. But here are the 4 blushes. Oh, they're really soft. I don't think you could wear all of these with every skin tone, but I see what they mean. Like there's definitely ones in here for dark and light skin tones. You see those? Those are all really light, you guys. No, these are light. They're like right here. Can't really see them very well. Yeah, like look at that one on my knuckles. That is really light. Okay, slightly disappointed in these shades. Like, they're gonna work great for me, but this box isn't like designed for, oh, my hair, isn't designed for one skin tone. It's designed for all skin tones, and that was a product that was offered to everybody, and it says on there all skin tones, so that's a little misleading. Blue Lotus Brightening Serum by Purlisse. I just went through my skincare stuff and gave so much of it away to my friends. I really should have filmed doing that, but I didn't. But now I have another product to add back to it. What does this do? Brightens an even skin tone, reduces dark spots, hydroquinone free. I have no idea what that is. All skin types and sensitive skin. Okay, I have tried some of the Blue Lotus Purlisse stuff before and I enjoyed it, but I don't know if I'll wind up trying this or not. I want to say I will, but I know how bad I am with my skincare regimen and I don't tend to try out products. This is the last product in here. This is by Dose. This is the Punk Volumizer Mascara. I think I already have this, or at least I used to. Nope, I decluttered it. But if this is the one I'm thinking of, it's got a red lid. Yeah, I used to have this. I didn't love it, but I didn't hate it either. It was just like an okay mascara. I'll open it, even though I shouldn't because we have too many mascaras open, but it's a huge wand. That was my drawback. Like, I like the formula, but the wand is literally the size of my eye, so it's hard to use, but I like the formula of it, so okay. I'll try it out again for sure though. And then technically the last product in here is the bag, which is very similar to our other bag, but this one is a lot bigger. It's got the same tassel thing that I like on here, but it's cheetah print and it's cute. Okay, let's do our quick little recap here and see prices, if it has prices. It does, okay. I don't know why the little Ipsy doesn't do prices, because this one does, but maybe these ones aren't customized, are they? Do you guys know? I don't know. I don't watch these videos usually because I like to be surprised and I don't want anybody to like ruin what I'm getting. So if I do watch them, it's after I film this. But this retails for $24. That's quite a bit. It's a good mascara though. I guess it's the same. My Too Faced Better Than Sex is $21, so it's close. This is $65. That's a lot. Skincare is just so expensive. I don't understand, but I am excited to try that product because I think it's really pretty. The blush palette retails for $48. I'm gonna tell you right now, that's not worth $48. Like, maybe if you have a very fair skin tone like mine and you plan on wearing all of these, but even this one, which is like dark in the pan, is light. Like, that's not dark. That is not gonna work on dark African-American skin. It's not. So, I don't know. I guess I'm like hating on Seraphine Botanicals right now because this upset me. But so does the Gigi Gorgeous one too though. But I don't know. That's not gonna work on most skin tones. So I don't think $48 is worth it. Maybe I'll use the formula and absolutely fall in love with it. And maybe they have other shades, other palettes, or other blushes, individual blushes that I think would be worth it. I don't know, but I don't know about that one. Okay. The Gigi Gorgeous Bronzer Duo retails for $24. Not terrible, but again, I'm not happy with the shades. Like, I just said 24 isn't terrible for 2, but 48 for 4 was awful. It's the same thing. I don't know. I'm just in a mood today, I guess, you guys. But I don't know. I'm excited to try this, but I don't love the shades. And this guy retails for $26. Oh yay, cruelty-free and vegan brand. It says it on here, so that's exciting. Jojoba oils, argan oils, blue-red undertones, blah, blah, blah. $26. This is really, really pretty. I want other shades in this. Like, I might buy some if I like this formula, because I think displaying this would be great, but at the same time, like, I'm not gonna really get use out of this because it's such a dark color that I don't wear those usually, but I like it. So I might have to try other formulas or other shades in that formula, but that's everything. This light's annoying. I'm sorry. Let's sit over here. Also, that's annoying. That is my empties box, and yes, it is very full. I know that's next up to film, don't worry. But that's everything I have for this video, guys. Don't forget to let me know down below what you guys got, what you loved, what you didn't love, and like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.